If I offered to sell you this glass of water for $1,000 or this glass of water for $1, would you know which one's safe to drink? You can't, and that's exactly why I refuse to give you prices over the phone. Hi, my name is Will. I'm the head of Superior Water Purification, and my goal is to not only bring clean water into every home in Ontario, but to bring healthy water. Look, I get it. I have people calling our office every single day asking how much for a system just so they can go shop around. But here's the scary truth. Giving you a system without testing your water first is like the doctor giving you heart medication without testing your blood pressure. Your neighbor 3 doors down has completely different water than you do. The age of your pipes, the municipal line you're on, even the solder in your walls. It's a chemical profile and a blueprint. If I just sold you a system over the phone, I'd either be A, overcharging you, or B, putting in a system that isn't actually protecting your family and removing the toxins that are in your water. I don't want to sell you a filter. I want to give you a diagnosis. That's why for anybody watching right now, I'm waiving my $150 consult fee. And I'm offering a complete H2O home assessment for completely free. I come out, test your specific water fingerprint, and tell you exactly what's going on in your water. But because this is a physical test and I can't clone myself, I can only do about 5 or 6 of these a week. If you want to stop guessing and start knowing what's in your family's water and what they're drinking, then it's time to click the button below. Do not wait. Get a hold of Superior Water Purification today. Click the link, lock in your spot. It's time to see what's going on in your pipes.